We are now heading out on Peck Lake Trail. This is a new one for us, never done it before, so excited to give it a go and see what it's like. It's supposed to go around, obviously, Peck Lake. It's about an hour and a half hike. Should take us under 2, I think, considering we stopped to look around at everything and I'm filming. So let's do this.
Let's do this.
Do it. There is Peck Lake.
Wow, we do not have the proper equipment for that. This could be trickier than we thought.
Snow and air area has been gone for about a month. So now...
This looks slippery.
Yes, this does look slippery. So you can see here how, because you have a winter length of period where people come back here and they're hiking on the snow or snowshoeing or cross-country skiing or whatever it is, and so the ice forms really hard right where they walk, and so for a lot of places you got to walk on that ice. It's pretty slippery. Yeah, this looks slippery. Oh well, we'll be good. Take our time. All right. Now we have some angled ice. There we go. Done.
Remember, the whole hike used to be that.
Yes. The snow has really melted early this year, so the trails are actually pretty good. And actually not nearly as wet as I expected either. This whole hike is going to be beautiful lake views, just like this. This tree here, I don't know if you can see, right here,
Yeah.
it's fallen back. And then if you look here, you can see and it was just resting on all these rocks here. You can see the roots here and the dirt on top, right there. And then this goes in about 7 or 8 feet. So the root system was just sitting on top of those rocks there. And now it's, with some wind or whatever, it's fallen over. And the most beautiful thing about hiking at this time of year, in early May, is there are no bugs whatsoever. I know they'll be out in a couple of weeks, so we usually come early or late in the fall, so we don't have to deal with bugs. Although I will be here in the summer dealing with bugs. That's all part of the game. It's worth it in the end, but it is nice to hike without them. That was a nice little boardwalk over the bog area there. Keep our feet dry. Always nice for these day hikes. Well, this trail really does hug the lake, which is beautiful.
Yeah.
So you get nice views. We are going to have to play walk on the log. Pick a log, any log. Stay out of the bog. Okay, that wasn't so bad. Come on, Sherry. Bloop, bloop.
Did it.
Just beautiful. Look at that. Wouldn't necessarily want to be in that water, but in the summer I will. So as you can see, quite a few boardwalks here too, which really help to keep you dry and enjoyable for the hike. Look at that. Just the slightest bit of holdout of ice here. There we go. Wonder if you can make that out. Right here, that is a moose print. Looks like the back leg over steps here, over the front. Right there. And they're pretty fresh. I wonder if we'll run into the bugger. It's happened before. Moose and that like to use these trails too. It's easy to navigate through. Don't have to push themselves through the thicker brush. That'd be pretty cool if we ran into them though. Okay, if I can stop falling, then I'll tell you what I was going to tell you. So if you see these boxes and you don't know what they're for when you have the trail maps and you want to return them, you put them in there. That way they can get used again. And this trail, if you see, here's the bench that we started off at. And there is an arrow on that tree to tell us to turn right and go back to our car. at the parking lot. And there's the trail arrow at the start that told us to turn right to go that way. So we've done it, and it did not take an hour and a half. It took about an hour. Even though we sat down and enjoyed some views on the lake, sitting on some rocks there. So yeah, I mean, definitely recommend this trail to you. It's not too hard, it's not too technical at all. There's some climbing, there's lots of routes, but good trail overall. Thumbs up, Sherry. Yay, good trail.
Good trail. Oh wait, we were the only ones here.
We were. So here, I mean, a little addendum since I signed out kind of, but if you did get a map book, this is where you get them from. In these slots here, they have English and they have French. And then there's also, if you don't want to keep the book there. So.
I'm wondering if they don't have them because of COVID right now.
Yeah, probably. All right, now I'm going to cut it out.